This spring, we are releasing the SDK 2.12. So today, we are going to have a closer look at the new and exciting features that we have lined up for this release. On the top of my list, we find the new and improved Omni Engine version 2, Jetson support, and several speed improvements. This is only the top of what you will find in this release, so let's dive in and get a closer look. First, we will have a look at the new and improved Omni Engine, my personal favorite. In the SDK 2.12, our engine for capturing transparent objects and complex consumer goods gets a solid boost. This boost includes drastically reducing edge artifacts and floating points on difficult objects, as well as increasing the accuracy of transparent objects. These upgrades bring our point clouds closer to reality than ever before. And the best part? You get these point clouds even faster, as the Omni Engine now requires less light to get the same amount of coverage. Better captures at higher speeds. What's not to like? In SDK 2.12, you will be able to use the Zivid cameras together with the NVIDIA Jetson Orin modules. With its lightweight and portable format, Jetson compatibility lets you bring the Zivid camera exactly where you need it for your robotic application. Several new features and improvements will let you do even faster captures with the Zivid cameras. A new setting for subsampling 2D images will give significant speed up of your 2D capture in cases where full resolution 2D is not required. Our region of interest filter lets you narrow down the field of view specifically to areas that you are interested in. In SDK 2.12, we have improved this feature so that only data that you are interested in is transferred and processed. This can significantly speed up captures, especially when you have a small region of interest. This change will be especially beneficial if you have a low-end GPU or are limited by transfer capacity. Several other filters are also faster in SDK 2.12, depending on your GPU and application. Have a look at the changelog for more details about speed improvement that might be relevant to your setup. At Zivid, we always strive to make our products easier to use. Zivid cameras with the latest firmware will now introduce themselves using the projector at boot to show you information about serial number, network, and firmware. We have also added the option to save the depth map from Zivid Studio, complementing our other data formats like color images and point clouds. SDK 2.12 brings some API changes that you should be aware of. We are moving several features out of experimental, which will change their associated settings. This includes the reflection filter, the engine setting, and hole filling, which is now called hole repair. We are also moving the 2D image projection function out of experimental. Please check out the SDK blog and changelog for more information about API changes. As announced, with this release, Zivid 1 Plus is entering end of life. SDK 2.12 will not support Zivid 1 Plus cameras. Stay tuned for more information on how to transition smoothly to our latest technology. Experience the future of vision technology with SDK 2.12. From improved Omni Engine to Jetson support and streamlined APIs, this release really opens new doors for developers. Download SDK 2.12 today and unleash the full potential of the Zivid cameras for your application.